Hi, I'm James from Vizzly, and I wanted to talk you through how to get started with SQL views. So you'll use these when you want to show data on your dashboard that you can't build out using the editor. So say you have a really complicated query to pull data, this is when you would use the SQL view. So I'm going to head over to the Vizzly query engine and copy the ID of the data set that I want to build this view on top of. I'm going to open up the SQL editor and start writing out my query. So I'm going to show the average salary. I'm going to group it by nationality. We're nearly there. We just need to add in a few properties for each of these fields. So I'm going to use as field 1 and field 2 to give each of these fields a ID. I also need to provide additional properties. So I can do that by entering in the pipe character and then saying I want to treat this field as a metric, this field as a grouping, and I want to name it nationality. Once you're done building out your SQL, you can confirm your changes and then hit save. Back on the dashboard, we'll hit refresh just to pull in those changes to the dashboard itself. When I open up the editor now, I can see I can either build views from my dataset, or I can pick my SQL view that I have just built out. So here you can see it's picked out the average salary as the metric on the y-axis and the nationality and on the x-axis. I can go ahead and format my chart as normal. So I can give it a title and give it a subject, and I can add in some conditional formatting as well. Once I'm happy, I can hit to add it to my dashboard. And these views will behave in exactly the same way as views that have been built out using the UI here, in that I can now add in a dashboard level filter for, say, department. And when I make a change to this filter, you'll see the SQL view re-renders with the correct information based on that filter. So there you go. That is how to use SQL views with Vizzly.